We signed that bill today, and Fort Lyons is going to become the most incredible facility in the state. I think it's a new path forward, not just for Los Alamos and Benton counties, but it's really a new path forward for how we address homelessness. We're going to measure the living daylights out of this program. There's going to be a lot of eyes watching us. So we're going to need the entire region's support to make sure this works. And I can guarantee you, right, this is not some feel-good, do-gooder program. We, as a state, we waste about $42, $43, sometimes $44,000 per person per year on the chronically homeless, right? Now it's hard work, and we're going to spend, in this 9-month transition period, we'll probably spend northwards of $15,000 or $18,000 getting people out from under bridges, off the streets, and in shelter, and giving them wraparound services, right? They've got mental illness or drug addictions. We're going to get them intensive counseling for that. We're going to make sure they stay on their medications. Most importantly, we're going to get them job training. And the whole point of this Fort Lyons initiative is to get people out of the bad circles of people they're with in the urban areas and give them a chance to get clean and get their head screwed on right. And then by giving them job training, when they go back, we make sure they have a job. We don't just inject them into the same milieu, the same situations that got them in trouble in the first place. The focus and the vast majority of the people that we're going to be dealing with are military veterans. And how this country ever got into this ditch, where so many of the people that risked their lives for this country have been, chronically homeless many times for a decade or more. And we've never sucked up the gut and said, hey, first, we're already spent, by letting people live under the bridge, we're spending $40-some-thousand. And B, if we give them wraparound services, and most importantly, job training, get them a job, all of a sudden, not only do we improve their quality of life, but we save money from the state budget. And there is no better place. How many of you have ever been out and looked at and actually walked the facility at Fort Lyons? Tell me the truth. How many? Raise your hands. Right, so maybe 15 of you, 20 of you. Get out there sometime, take a look at it. This is a gift and something that we have that is an asset that, when we were out there this morning, at least a half dozen people came up to me and said, you never told me how beautiful this buildings were, right? It's like a New England college campus. It's gorgeous, right? I said, are you kidding me? I said it 1,000 times, but until you see it, it's hard. And the reason I want you guys to go out there, and we'll help set up tours in anticipation, because you're going to all have to invest yourselves to make sure this thing works. We're going to measure it, but we've got to make sure it works. And one thing that these individuals need is support. And if you get out there and see this place, you're going to believe. I guarantee it. You're going to say it. You're going to invest yourself. If I can convince enough people to get out there, enough people to believe, this will be a success that will be historic.